So we are heading to the bridge, the famous bridge. Let's check. The name you will find it in the title of the video. Oh fucking hell! We are going Kouri Bridge.
About 2 kilometers. Turn right.
So this is the famous bridge. We are crossing it now. Very nice. As you can see, we are going from one island to the other one. We are crossing the island. Very nice. So in the first video you will see the bridge, and now we will crossing the bridge. Now we are going down on the hill.
Ah, legal. Boa. Aqui vai ficar legal.
I zoom it a little bit the video. This is how it looks like. Really nice. For que legal, for people who are watching from Brazil, que legal. So everybody from Brazil, please subscribe, like and comment, and write in the comment que legal, please.
Da hora.
Da hora. Okay? Obrigado. You see, gringo from Brazil.
700 meters. Turn right.
It's a real green.
So 700 meters we are on the next. So this is Ocean Tower. Oh, Ocean Tower. I think we are going to Ocean Towers. Not. The car said no.
In 300 meters. Turn right.
But as you guys can see there, it says Ocean Tower. People watching, people running on the bridge. And we,
Please turn right. Then in 600 meters. Turn right.
so this was the famous bridge. To be honest, it's really nice, because I don't really see everyday things like
Turn
this.
right.
Okay guys, so give me a good like. Obrigado for every Brazilian. Thank you for everyone who listening in English. In Hungarian, köszönöm. In Romanian, merci mult. Mulțumesc frumos. What else do
In
you want?
400 meters. Turn right.
Obrigado, I said already.
Thank you.
And thank you, I said as well.
Arigato.
Arigato in Japanese. So please, Japanese people, push the like. Like. Have a good day and see you soon in the next video.